Look at that shit, man. That's fucked up shit. That's cannibalism, man. How the fuck a bird gonna eat another bird, man? That's like a pig eating bacon. That's like feeding a chicken fried chicken. That's like, man, that is some foul shit. That is crazy, son. I mean, he got feathers blowing all across the parking lot. He tearing this fucking bird ass all the way up, yo. That shit should be outlawed, man. That shit should be some fucking illegal shit. He wrong for that. And I think it's amazing. I'm probably wrong for that too. Ha!